Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to Design Fun. If this is your first time here, this channel is all about home decor, decorating, and turning your house into a home and doing it all on a budget. So definitely subscribe for that if that's the kind of thing you're looking for. So today I'm going to be showing you around my living room and what I've done for the summer. It's not 100% complete because I do want to get some more lamps, but I'm pleased with where it is right now. So I'll definitely come back and do another video once I get the lamps, and I'll be doing another video anyway for the fall. So let's go ahead and jump on into the video, and I'll see you at the end. Okay guys, these two beautiful boxes here are from HOMEGOODS. I did a video recently showing where I got them from and how much they cost. These beautiful vases here are also from HOMEGOODS. I've had them for about 3 years. And I'm going to flank either side of the boxes with these. And these stems here are from Michael's. I just picked those up last week and I believe they were $6. So I'm going to go in with those just to have a little bit of life over here, but sticking with all the neutral colors. These battery operated lights I got from Ross, and I'm going to put them in my wall sconces. These sconces are from Kirkland's, and I believe the pair was $22. Definitely check out those coupons at Kirkland's before you make any purchase, because they always have really, really good coupons. So this is where we enter the living room. I'm going to show you that finished wall again that we just decorated in a minute. So the first thing you see when you walk into my living room is this sofa bookshelf. And I have put all the things that I love in this bookshelf. Lots of books and a few decorative items, and definitely a plant. It's a great place to display all your favorite decor items. And the decor is what gives the room its identity, so you definitely want to display some decor. Over here, let's go over here first. This beautiful abstract piece right here is from HOMEGOODS. I've had it for a few years now. And the light above is from Amazon, which is in my Amazon store. I've had that for a while. So here's the area that we decorated together. I absolutely love the way this came out. It looks amazing. This piece right here is from HOMEGOODS. I believe it was $79. Okay, so the sofa is from Ashley. Like I said, guys, I did a living room video recently. It is in a playlist of 2024 home tours and room tours, excuse me. And you will see where everything came from, how much everything costs. So just check out that playlist. These pillow covers are from Amazon. They are in the Amazon store in my description box. The coffee table here, this beautiful chrome and glass coffee table, it is from WAYFAIR. And everything on the coffee table, I'll show you a little bit closer in a second. The rug is from Ross. It was $99. I've had that for a while. And guys, I did forget to tell you, the color scheme in this room is black, white, cream with silver and gold. All neutrals, which I absolutely love. But because I did this, it's going to be very easy to incorporate a color, which you're going to see in my fall video. Because I am going to go all out for fall, since that is my favorite time of year. And guys, if you like home decor and decorating, or if you're just trying to turn your house into a home, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. So these two drink tables that you're seeing here, they are from Ross. Now, when I first got them, they were like a rustic wood color. So I just brought them home and I painted them black, and 2 layers of wax over the painted pieces to protect them. Sorry, guys. Okay, so this is the fireplace area. Guys, if you're ever wondering about how to decorate around the fireplace, think symmetry. Do the same thing on either side of the of the fireplace, and it gives it a more luxe elevated look until you get more comfortable with decorating. Then you can kind of change it up. Now this is the area where I want to incorporate 2 lamps, like I was telling you in my intro. I'm going to get 2 floor lamps to go right in front of either window. And I already see which lamps I want on Crate and Barrel's website, but I am going to be looking for a dupe because they are $400 each on the website, and I'm definitely not going to pay that. So I'll be looking at HOMEGOODS, Ross, Burlington, furniture stores. I will find, and even Facebook Marketplace, I am going to find a good dupe for the ones that I'm wanting. So just giving you a closer look at what's on the coffee table. The Tom Ford book is from Amazon. It's in my Amazon store. The gold jack, that is from Burlington. These balls are from Amazon. They're in the Amazon store. And that beautiful vase is from Ross. And I believe it was $21.99 for that vase. The fireplace itself is from WAYFAIR. The items on the fireplace, this beautiful gold greenery here, is from HOMEGOODS. The black bowl with the gold knobs, that is from Ross. The greenery is from Hobby Lobby, and it was only like $3 a stem. These 2 candle holders are from KIRKLANDS, and I believe the pair was about $40. Might have been between $35 and $40, because you definitely want to look at those coupons when it comes to KIRKLANDS. So let me just show you around the room, and then I have a message for you at the end of the video. Okay, thanks everyone for watching my living room video. Now, what I'm going to tell you about is my new website, where it is actually called Decor Designs, and it is a home decor marketplace. And so some certain items in my home that I'm willing to let go of, I will be selling on that website. Think of it sort of like a combination of Mercari and Amazon, but only for home decor. I do have some new items on there as well. Several items, several pillows, throw pillows, that I'm gonna actually be selling on the website. And most of the pillows that I have, they have not really been used. They've just been sitting on the couch, like in certain rooms. So it's definitely a good deal. I have everything on sale. And so if that's what you're looking for, go ahead and check it out. The good thing about Decor Designs is that you could also sell your items on there. And so you just register and take a picture, put your items on it. It's sort of like Facebook Marketplace as well. However, you will be shipping your items out. So you set what your shipping amount will be. We already have it set up like an automatic amount that would be set for the shipping that would cover what the post office would actually charge you. So definitely check out the website. Let me know if you have any questions about the website. I think it's a good thing for the home decor space, and I think it's something that is missing in the home decor space. So let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.